Hi guys. So I am in Dollar Tree looking for Mod Podge because y'all never let me know what was I supposed to use on my project to do the actual glue. But as I'm in here and I stumble across a lot of things, this is a new Dollar Tree that I'm in on another side of town, and I am, what is this? Oh, this is a big marker. This is the area where the Mod Podge is supposed to be, right? Because y'all never told me. But I came across a whole lot of stuff that is $1.50. So that is what that is the whole gist of this video. Why is the stuff that was $1.25 now $1.50? I mean, I see that they like up some of their things, but let me show y'all some real nice candles that I thought was pretty similar to what I already have in my own home. But you may as well go to like Dollar General. These are $5. These are $5, which, no, these are nice. That's too much though. But like I said, this is a new one. Let's see what they have in the, okay. All of this stuff here, these are nice. This is $5. Now this might be worth it. I'm gonna look on their other section because I don't think I'm gonna be able to find my Mod Podge because y'all didn't help me. Now this is a good product. I had this one before. This smells really good. And then they have these, which, let me smell this one. This is comparable to the native. And then they also have the shampoo as well. This is in the wrong section though. Let me show y'all some fall stuff. I'm grateful that I can make a video for y'all though, because they don't have no music playing. This is OOTD of the day. And I'm gonna show y'all all their fall. This is their fall stuff, which I don't know if I'm doing fall. I know I need a pillow because I got a pillow I want to put on my bed, and I have those pumpkins that's in the drawer. But as far as like foliages and stuff like that, I don't think I'm gonna get into that. But I wanted to show y'all what they have. They have the, look at that. Now that's nice. Those are nice. They have all the fall cups and everything. Let me take y'all around the other way. But this is not a bad deal for these. So that's that. Let's see what else they got for fall. Oh, they got a lot of stuff. But like I said, this is a big one. So all of this. Y'all know I do not do no Halloween, but they got the Halloween stuff out already. And I think they're getting ready to close. This is gonna be a short video, but I wanted to just show y'all Dollar Tree's fall stuff. Now this is nice to put on your door. I just wanted to show y'all Dollar Tree's fall decor and also like the Halloween stuff. And like I said, they have a lot of nice pics for y'all if you're interested in the pics. Oh, that's a pretty thumbnail. But that's all I see. But this store is big. Like, it's super big. So if y'all need anything from Dollar Tree, like I said, this is a new one, so they're not gonna have a lot, but they do not have what I was looking for as far as my Mod Podge. And I need y'all to let me know, is it Mod Podge or is it some type of special glue? They even have they have a bathroom area here. Yeah. So I don't want to get nobody on camera, but this is everything over here. As far as, and y'all probably screaming, Sonya, it's right there. It's right there. I don't see it. This is all the only thing I see that was glue is this glue here. I see this glue and I see this colorful glue here. I don't think that's it. Please let me know. Please. But I will see y'all in a whole nother video another day. Bye. I'm sorry it was short, but I came to y'all. All right. Bye-bye.